I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Flint mints are 5-gram sugar-free breath mints that dissolve in 30 to 45 seconds. They are designed to freshen breath quickly without added sugar, using 25 milligrams of xylitol per mint as the active sweetener. Each mint measures about 1 centimeter across, making them easy to pop and dissolve. Store mints below 25 degrees C and keep them dry to preserve crispness for up to 12 months. Keep the container sealed between uses to prevent moisture and flavor loss, and to maintain shelf stability. Place 1 mint on your tongue and allow it to dissolve naturally, typically in 30 to 45 seconds. For ordinary freshening, use 1 to 2 mints after meals, coffee, or before social interactions. Do not exceed 8 mints per day to avoid gastrointestinal upset from sugar alcohols. Avoid chewing immediately. Let the mint dissolve to release flavor and xylitol evenly across saliva. If you prefer a stronger flavor, let 2 mints dissolve sequentially rather than chewing both at once to control intensity and dissolve time. Keep mints out of reach of children under 3 years to prevent choking and ingestion hazards. Do not swallow large pieces. Whole mints are intended to dissolve, not be swallowed whole, and swallowing hard pieces can cause choking. For pets, note that xylitol is toxic to dogs and should be kept far from animals. Store in a sealed container below 25 degrees C and discard if texture becomes sticky, flavor changes, or the product smells off. And follow any label expiration dates to ensure safety and potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.